Good medical morning. This is Watson from Westside Hospital. And today we have a great product for you. It comes to us from Zen Healing, and it's currently less than $20 on Amazon Prime. And there's a link below. Here's what they have to say about the product. For a complete facial skincare routine, use our Jade Gua Sha Tool along with the included charcoal-infused Konjac Sponge. Facial use of our Gua Sha board will help your skin look younger and more vibrant, prevent wrinkles, and help clear up acne. Finish up with the sponge to comfortably exfoliate dead skin to improve the whole quality of your skin. So let me give you a couple details on how these items work. Gua Sha stones have been around for a long time. They're part of traditional Chinese medicine. This one's made out of double polished premium jade. Here it is next to my jade plant. Nice. These stones come in a variety of shapes, although this particular shape was versatile. We used it for the face and back area, but you could use it on the feet, neck, shoulders, or generally anywhere where you need some muscle relief. And you can even use it on people with sensitive skin, like Kelly. The general idea is similar to massage in that it can remove stagnant material, toxins, and it can activate your lymphatic system for a generally therapeutic experience. And this is me using the stone on my girlfriend Kelly's back where she has a lot of tight muscles, and here's what she had to say about it.
I have chronic muscle pain in my back from sitting at a desk, and the shape of the stone allowed him to rub my back without getting tired of it. It felt kind of similar to getting a massage.
The Konjac Sponge is actually made from a plant, and they come in different varieties, but this particular one is infused with charcoal to help draw out impurities and toxins in your skin. The first time you use it, you need to soak it in warm water for about 15 minutes. Then rinse your face with warm water and use the sponge gently. You don't even have to use soap. I needed to exfoliate a bit of dead skin from a sunburn on my arm, so here's a little before and after. And here's what Kelly had to say about the Konjac Sponge.
Typically I use a facial scrub, but it is somewhat abrasive, and the sponge was a lot smoother and gave me the same smooth feeling.
So there you go, great combo for skincare from Zen Healing. Again, there's an Amazon link below, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe for new videos every week. Westside, I'm Watson, and I am out of here. See you next time.